Hello everyone, and once again welcome to my channel. So in today's video I want to be introducing the new soap mold that we have started producing at my company, Famous Skincare. So there's a new soap mold I want to introduce to you guys so that if you guys like it, you can choose to purchase it. Just reach me on the number displayed on the screen to purchase yours. We deliver this mold nationwide, and we also deliver outside Nigeria, but it depends on who can afford the transport fare. People that need this mold that are in different countries, if they can afford the transport fare, then they can do well by reaching me on WhatsApp too. So the purpose of this video today is not actually to teach you how to make soap, even though I will be showing you my chemicals and their um, measurements. But the purpose of this video is not actually to teach you how to make soap. It's actually to introduce the new soap mold, which we are now producing. So this is how the mold looks like. The mold is actually 10,500 naira. Then it produces 10 long tablet soap. So with this mold, you can produce 10 long tablet soaps with it. So you can see how unique this is. You just simply put that material inside after you've poured your soap inside. Okay, you first of all put the material, then you pour your soap, then you start fixing this wood to divide the mold into different segments. So with this, you can achieve 10 long bar soaps with this type of mold. You can do well by reaching me on the number displayed on the screen to purchase yours. Like I said before, we deliver this mold nationwide. So it doesn't matter your location in Nigeria, you can purchase this soap mold. Just reach me on the number displayed on the screen to purchase this mold. With this mold, you don't actually need to be going for sophisticated soap cutters, which are very expensive. Soap cutters are very expensive. So if you have this soap mold, you don't need those things. You just need this mold. It's actually very affordable. Very affordable. It's actually very affordable. Then also don't forget that I conduct online classes on WhatsApp. You just reach me on the number displayed on the screen to join my online classes where you will learn a lot of things. You will learn how to produce the laundry bar soap, the organic soap, the body cream, the liquid soap, the powder detergent. There's a lot of things you will actually learn. So do well by reaching me, or you check the description of this video. You will find a link where you can simply click on that link and you to take you straight to the WhatsApp group or to the training group on WhatsApp. So you check the description of this video. You could find the link there to join my training, which goes on WhatsApp. If you are having difficulty with the link, then reach me on the number displayed on the screen of this video to join the class. Then I have ebooks on soap making and other skincare production. They are available. Can do well by reaching me on the number displayed on the screen to purchase your ebook. The ebook is actually for those that will not have time to join the class. You can actually use the ebook to learn at home. So don't forget to reach me to purchase your ebook and also to join the online class. So watch this video and see how I made use of this new soap mold to produce long tablets or long bar soaps, and is to produce 10 of them, which is very good. So imagine you have like 4 of these molds, then you can actually produce like 40 long soap. If you have 5 of these molds, you can produce 50 long soap. So you can see how this mold can help you in the commercial market. You can go commercial with this mold, start producing soap in large quantity. Don't forget to reach me if you want to purchase yours. We deliver nationwide, and we also deliver outside Nigeria. So after 12 hours, this is how the soap comes out. The color comes out properly, everything is nice and cool. You can see how it is. So don't forget, you can do well by reaching me on the number displayed on the screen to purchase your mold. Reach me on WhatsApp. We deliver this mold nationwide. I can see this has produced 10 long bar soap. You can now choose to cut it to the sizes you want. After the production, you can choose to now cut it to the size you want.